Now we will see how to obtain full adder using half adder. This is the symbolic representation of half adder receiving two inputs A and B, which are XOR to get sum as output and which are ANDed to get carry as to give carry as output. This is the symbolic representation of full adder, which deals with three inputs A, B along with C in. It produces sum A XOR B XOR C in, as well as it produces carry C in A XOR B plus AB. So on comparing some expression of half adder and full adder, we'll find Cin is the additional term, whereas on comparing carry expression of half adder and full adder, we find Cin into Ax or B is the additional term which occurred with full adder. Now let us see how to draw circuit diagram very easily for full adder using half adder and few gates. So this is the first half adder. Which is receiving two inputs A, B. We know sum of half adder is produced by XORing two inputs and carry is produced by ANDing these two inputs. One more half adder is used. Let us name it half adder 2. Cin is the first input which is accepted as A. Another input to this second half adder is A XOR B, some output of first half adder which is received as B. Sum is produced by XORing two inputs. Now in case of second half adder, Cin is representing A, whereas A XOR B is representing B. So this becomes the sum of full adder A XOR B XOR Cin. Carry is produced by ANDing two inputs A and B. Cin is representing A, whereas A XOR B is representing B. But as we know, the carry of full adder is given by Cin into A XOR B plus AB. To achieve this, we need to OR these two terms. And we obtain the complete expression for carry of full adder. Then coming to the circuit diagram, A and B, these are the two inputs which are XORed to get output A XOR B. In further, this is XORed with carry in which causes output sum A XOR B XOR Cin. These two inputs A and B are ANDed to get the carry output of first half adder. These two inputs of second half adder are ANDed. A XOR B is the first input and another input is the Cin. These are ANDed to give Cin into A XOR B. These two must be ORed to get carry of full adder A XOR B, which is ANDed with Cin plus AB. So this is representing first half adder with two inputs A and B, which are XOR to get the sum of output of first half adder and which are ANDed to get the carry output of the first half adder. This part is representing second half adder, of which first input is A XOR B and another input is the Cin, which are XOR to get the sum output of full adder and which are ANDed to get the part of carry expression of the full adder, which is Cin into A XOR B, which is ORed with AB, the carry output of the first half adder, so that we can get the complete expression of carry of full adder Cin into A XOR B plus AB.